Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a fake man spin, sometimes also known as a false man spin. Needing to know how to do a man spin already be really helpful, so link in the description below to do a man spin in case you've never learned one of those. And this is one of those moves, not too bad, but it does require the guy to be fairly quick on his feet. Okay, so if you're a fellow who doesn't like to go fast, go look at a different move. Okay, if you don't mind going fairly quick as a guy, then you might quite like this. It goes 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard man spin. We go semicircle back, raising the hand, or it's up to you. It looks like we're going to go into the man spin. We're going over the top with the right hand, so we're getting kind of halfway in, but as the lady continues down to the far end, the guy turns right, switches hands behind his back, goes into stretch, and then what you've got to do is you've got to bring the lady forwards and flick the hand over to the right to lead the lady to do a return spin as you walk past behind her and catch at the other end. Okay, so let's do that again from the other side and talk numbers. So we go semicircle back, 1, start to go into the man spin but don't make it, 2, turn right, switch hands behind the back and stretch, 3, spin the lady through, 4, and catch, 5. As I said, the guy's got to be pretty nimble in this one because there's no extra time for the guys. I have seen guys do this and put an extra count in, but it basically leaves the lady hanging for one count, just standing there going, what's he doing? Okay, so it's better if you can do it straight through. So let's try it together. Here we go. I'll call it quite slow, so it's going to be easy. So 5, 6, a fake man spin. You go a back, in, turn, spin through and catch. Okay, hope you find that one useful and enjoy it out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell because it helps promote what we're doing. Liking helps promote the video, so if you like a particular move, like it, yeah, because more people will get to do it. Subscribing helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll get told every time a new video comes out so you don't miss anything, which is awesome. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.